Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshya's Learning Lounge. Today we're going to talk about LCM and HCF. LCM as in the least common multiple and HCF as in the highest common factor. To find LCM and HCF of two numbers, it can also be 3 or more, we're going to be using the prime factorization method. We're going to be starting with two numbers each. You can use the same method for 3 numbers, 4 numbers or more than that. First we have LCM coming up. 1, we have 24 and 64. The prime factorization method is also called the ladder method. (24 and 64). Then this is what we call the ladder method. We draw an L. Then we take 2. Now 2 divides 24 and 64. So we write it down here. 12 and 32. Now we take 2 again because that's a common factor for both 12 and 32. 6 and we have 16. Right? Then we take another number now. 2, 3 and 8. 2. But 2 is not divisible by 3, right? So we only write 3. We do not do anything else. But it is divisible by 8. So we write 4. 3 again and then 2. We take 2 one last time. So that we can divide it. 1. Now we take 3. So if a number does not divide any number, then you just simply write the previous number down below it. Now to find LCM, we have to multiply all these common factors. All of these common factors will make the LCM. Because we're finding the least common multiple here. So you multiply all of them. Equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 6 times. 2's 6 2's. But it's not 6 2's because it's not 2 plus 2. It's 2 into 2. So don't make that mistake. Into 3. Equal to 192. That is your LCM. So the LCM, which is the least common multiple of 24 and 64, is 192. Let's do another. Second one we have 12 and 8. So this is a very simple number. I should have started with this, but anyways. 12 and 8. Same ladder method. You take 2 because it's divisible. And here we are taking 2 because it's the least. But you can also take 4, but I would suggest starting from the lowest. Until and unless it's a very huge number and taking 2 would only be a waste of time. 3 ones. Now the LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And that will be 24. 24 is the answer. And one more thing, you can start with the highest and then go down to the lowest. Here we've taken 2. Now 3 is greater than 2, so I kept it for the last, for the end. So 2 and then 3. But you can also start with 3 and then go to 2. You can start with 4 and then 3. Your wish. But keep it in order, ascending or descending. Don't keep it random. Now we have 81 and 108. 3. So here it's divisible by 3. We directly take 3. We do not need to take 2. We can't take 2 because 81 is an odd number. 27. Then we have 36. Again it's divisible by 3. Take 3 again. 9. 12. You can take 3 again. 3 and then 4. You take 3 once more. But 4 is not divisible by 3. So you just write down 4 there. You don't divide it. You don't do anything else. Now we take 2 again. So this is descending order. Higher number to the lower number. First we take 3. Then we come down to 2. 2 ones are 1s are. There. So the LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. There we go. We'll just write it down. This is the right method of writing it down. So do not miss any of these statements. You need to write what is multiplied by what and then the answer to this. LCM equal to this. LCM is used in the multiplication, division of addition and subtraction of fractions, which we will do sometime else in later videos. Then we'll know how to use LCM. Now we have HCF, which is the highest common factor. LCM multiple, HCF factor. Now considering the HCF factors to find the HCF, the method is going to be slightly different, but the base is going to be prime factorization, the ladder method once again. So first let's write down 56 and 28. That's our first number. Then 2. Going by the simplest, 14, 2, 14, 7, then 4, 2 again, 7, 14 divided by 2 equal to 7. But here do not do anything with the other 7 because 7 is not divisible by 2. Just let it be. 7 ones and 1s. Now for HCF, we only consider the factors. We only consider those numbers that have divided both the numbers. First 2 has divided both 56 and 28. Second one has divided 28 and 14. But the third one has only divided 14. It has not divided 7. Right? So we do not consider that. See, did not divide both numbers. So we do not consider that. This is for the highest common factor. We're looking for factors here. And it has to be common. Common factors. We remove that too. Now we have HCF equal to 2 into 2 into 7. 7 has divided both numbers. 7 ones are 7 ones are. 2 into 2 into 7. That's again 28. So the highest common factor of 28 and 56 is 28. There. Now we go to our second sum. Now that we've reached this stage, take a pause, try to do it on your own and then watch the video. Okay, this will be a good practice for you. 171 and 130. and 135. There you go. Now these two numbers are not divided by 2 at all. So you have to take it with 3. Comment in the video. We'll see who gets it right. But yes, you basically add the digits of the number. And if they come up to that is the same rule for 9 as well. Here see, we're again going in ascending order. We take 3, then 5, then 19. We do not directly jump to 19. Right? But we do not take the last 3, 5 and 19. Why? Because they do not divide both numbers equally. 3 has divided only 15, not 19. 5 divided only. So we do not take the last 3 numbers as I said because they do not divide both the numbers. 3 did not divide 19, 5 did not divide 19 and 19 divided only itself. So we do not consider these 3 numbers at the end. We do not divide both numbers. So the HCF of 171 and 135 is 3 into 3, 9. Again, why didn't we consider the last 3 numbers? Because they did not divide both the numbers. 78 and 98. Again, it's clearly visible that both of them are even numbers. So they will be divisible by 2. Start with the lowest. Take it easy. Then you can slowly start increasing your level by using higher numbers. Let's start with the ladder method first. 78 and 98. 39, 49, there. Now you cannot take 2 here. Nope, you cannot take 2 because they both are odd numbers. You take 3 because it's divisible by 39. 39 is divisible by 3. So you take 13, 48, you drop down 49 just the way it is, right? Then you take 7 here because 49 is divisible by 7. Okay, you drop down 13, then you write 7, you take 7 again, 13, 1, then you take 13 because 13 is a prime number, there is no other number that will divide it. It's 13, 1, 1. But the funny part is here in this set, 3, 7, 7 and 13 will not be counted because these 4 numbers do not divide all numbers, both the numbers I mean. So they will not be counted. They did not divide both the numbers. 3 only divided 39, 7 only divided 49, 7 only divided 7, 13 only divided itself. There's nothing else to divide when there's 1 over there. So the highest common factor here is, without the need of multiplication, 2. There. HCF equal to 2. That's all about. There you go, we state it. Make sure all your statements are neat and clear. And that's all about LCM and HCF today. Hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Laksha's Learning Lounge. Thank you for watching.